Today, we are going to talk about a very common problem that ladies face with aging, that is, sagging breast. With aging, the muscles start loosening, but nowadays, even youngsters are facing this problem. Sagging of breast makes you feel uncomfortable, stops you from wearing different kinds of clothes, and creates insecurity towards yourself. First, what are the causes of sagging breast? It occurs because of obesity, hormonal changes, pregnancy, or sitting in an improper posture. We are going to talk about three major things, that is, ahar, food, vihar, lifestyle, and aushad, herbal medicine, which will help you reduce sagging of your breast. First, let's talk about the most important point, that is, vihar. In this, you have to do daily massage. Massaging your breast in upward direction daily for 5 to 10 minutes in each breast has proven to reduce sagging. Second, use ice for massaging. Ice causes coldness in the breast area, thus constrict the tissues present there. Because of that, it develops tightness and reduce sagging. Massage your breast daily with ice for 1 minute only. Third, yoga. Certain yoga asanas are proven to reduce sagging. It gives good muscle tone in the area of your breast. Asanas like Talasana, Gaumukhasan, Hastauttanasan, Garudasan, Paschimottanasana, Paschim Namaste, Chakrasan, Bhujangasan. All these asana are helpful to strengthen the chest muscles and thus develop the chest muscles. Apart from this asana, pranayam also helps strengthening your muscle. Pranayam like Bhastrika, clavicular breathing, are proven to reduce breast sagging. You can also perform Kapalbhati. We have talked about some lifestyle changes. Let's move towards ahara, that is diet. Maintaining diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals is very important. Body weight and fats can cause sagging too. So by maintaining weight, you can control the sagging too. Treat yourself with the food which is rich in vitamins, minerals, rather than just taking carbs. Sagging can also occur from hormonal imbalance, so check it too. Good sleep promotes balance within our hormones, so give yourself some rest. Aushad. The best aushad for sagging breast is fenugreek, that is methi. It is antioxidant. It helps in tightening and smoothing the skin around the breast. All of these things mentioned earlier should be practiced daily. It will work like a remedy for you and will surely help you. For any questions or queries, you can ask me directly in the comment section. I'm going to give you some amazing Ayurvedic remedies in my YouTube channel, so subscribe and live a healthy life. Bye bye and take care. Apart from this video, I would like you to know that you are perfect the way you are, and those little imperfections makes you more perfect.